So what you are going to explain in this video? It is not a lecture or explanation video. It is a story of pneumonia epidemic that will spread in the whole village, and how the people faces it, how the doctor diagnose it, how the treatment is done, and how they recover from this pneumonia, and how the whole village get free from pneumonia. So this story tells you many things about pneumonia also, and become interesting for you to listen it out. So let's get started. So this story starts from a village where pneumonia is spread in the whole village. Most of the people are affected with pneumonia. Mostly the age group of 65 or above it are affected, and the children's younger than 5 years of age are affected because of the weak immune system of them. So that the environment of the village, the whole environment of the village, the air of the village is totally contaminated with these type of bacteria which are causing pneumonia. So the person which is not a patient of pneumonia will become a patient of pneumonia after breathing that air if he has a poor immune system. So there is a case of 5-year-old child who is suffering from common cold from 2 to 3 weeks. His parents tried a lot to cure it, but there is no solution in front of them. During this, the child suddenly starts vomiting and his body temperature goes at a higher extent. He is not able to breathe properly, his breath becomes shortened. His parents get feared by seeing the situation and immediately take him to the hospital. Here in the hospital, the doctor asks the parents to tell the previous health history of their child, and for primary identification they use their stethoscope to listen the sound of the lungs of the child, and they listen that there is a cracking sound inside the lungs and examine that it may be pneumonia. So prescribe some tests such as blood test, X-ray and the sputum test to confirm it a pneumonia. Sputum is the liquid which is filled in the air sacs, or we can say it in the lungs. The liquid which is filled, the liquid is pus or the liquid of watery type liquid, which is tested to check which type of organism is there and identification of the pneumonia as such. So all these tests are done by the parents, and then they show the report to the doctor. Now after reading the report, the doctor said that the child, that your child is suffering from pneumonia, and prescribe some medicines such as some antibiotics for the cure of that bacteria. Secondly, some cough syrups for the cough, and thirdly he gives some medicines for pain and fever, and gives some advices that you just have to make your environment clean, give the patient, give your boy a proper rest, a proper plenty of rest he requires. Secondly, you just have to use mask and make him also to use the mask whenever you go outside from your home, in any place, in the market or whatever the things you have to do. And fourthly, you just have to give the proper medicines at the time so that it recovers soon. Now after few days, the child become cure of pneumonia and become normal as in life. So now the parents thought that it is not our only work to make our home, our family clear of pneumonia, but it is our duty to make the whole village clear of pneumonia. So they go in each and every home of the village, each and every house of the village, and tell them if the common cold lasts for a long time than a normal time, then you just have to concern a doctor for that, so that the pneumonia cannot spread to the whole village and you become safe from that. You doesn't have to face that problem, and you become treated at the initial point of the pneumonia also. So that's make the village totally free from pneumonia. So that's the story about pneumonia. Now what you have learned from it? Really, this story gives me lots of knowledge about pneumonia. Many things that I don't know about pneumonia are also cleared in this video. and this become very interesting to understand this story. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, and if you have any friend, then share this video with them, and if you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe the channel to get more interesting videos such like that. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.